Hello my lovely people, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. And today guys, you can see what I've cooked. Nimepika mukimo na nimepika beef stew. So guys, stay tuned and grab a seat. Let's get started, and I'll start by showing you the ingredients that I will be using. And nitakuwa natumia potatoes, beef, maize, blended pumpkin leaves, and of course I will be using my water guys. And we'll start by cooking our mukimo. So tutaweka maji, ndio hiyo tunaweka kiasi yake, and then we will go in with our potatoes. Kumbuka hizi maize tushazichemsha already, so there is no need ya kuchanganya pamoja. And then guys, we are going to use 1 tablespoon of salt, and then tutazifunikia for around 20 minutes ndio ziive. And within my 20 minutes guys, viazi zangu zimeiva. You can see I've added my maize. Sikuwa na mingi, and of course I didn't want my mukimo to have a lot of maize, so niliweka tu kiasi yake. But if you love maize, you can add some more, sio kidogo kama mimi. And so nikaanza kumash my potatoes, and I wanted them to fully combine with my maize. So guys, go comment down below. You tell me how you cook your mukimo, whether you cook like me ama you have a different way of cooking. And guys, nikamash until hizo viazi zote ziishe zikuwe mashed potatoes. And so it took me like 10 minutes to ensure everything is okay. And guys, why don't you go and subscribe, watch and share to my channel. And also thank you so much for those who have subscribed, watched and shared my videos. Honestly, I don't take it for granted. Let's grow together. And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell on so that you get to watch my videos whenever I'm posting a new video. And after mashing guys, the next thing we are going to add is my blended pumpkin leaves. And some people prefer to use pumpkin leaves without blending, and in my case napenda iyo soup so that my mukimo ikue smooth. And guys, tukaongeza, and then we mashed, tukakoroga pamoja so that they can be fully combined. The process ili take 5 minutes cause nataka pia iive vizuri na zikue fully combined as well. And guys, go tell me how you do it, kama unapika na hizo pumpkin leaves without blended ama una blend. Some people prefer to use it without. And guys, my 5 minutes are over, and the next thing I'm going to do, nitaikarangia kitunguu yangu ndio hiyo mukimo ikuwe tamu. So in my case, nikipika mukimo lazima nikarange hiyo mukimo. I can't eat without kukaranga. So I will be using just an onion and cooking oil. And in this case, kuna mtu anapenda kuongeza spices kwa the cooking oil na hiyo kitunguu, but mimi sipendi mukimo ikiwa na spice cause napenda the original taste of mukimo. So nikamaliza mash my mukimo, and then nikawekelea hiyo kitunguu yangu na 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Nikangoja my onion iive until it is golden brown. So it can take like 5 minutes, and my onion unaona zina come through, sorry. And then I will add to my mukimo, and then I mash again to ensure that imeshikana, iko na hiyo utamu ya kitunguu. So guys, why don't you go and try this recipe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Hii mukimo ili turn out kukua tamu, and it is one of the African food zenye wanapenda kupika sana sana, especially kwa Wakikuyu wanapenda hizi mukimo. I don't know whether the other tribes do cook mukimo, but mi huona kwa Wakikuyu they love mukimo sana. So go tell me in the comment section, and make sure you try this recipe cause ukipika, trust you, you will be making it like every week, once in a week time. And guys, tukakoroga, tukazimash, tukacombine, and you can see it inakaa utamu. Yeah, and guys, guess what? Hiyo sufuria yenye tumekaranga nayo haiendi to waste, tunakaranga nayo nyama. And since ilikuwa nyama kidogo, I said why not cook with that sufuria. Nikawekelea, and then I added 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and I added my garlic. Nikazichanganya until ziive, zikuwe golden brown. And then hatukai sana, ndio hiyo nyama yangu nikaiwekelea hapo. I added, nikakoroganisha pamoja, and then nikazifunikia for 5 minutes, ndio zichanganyane vizuri, ndio nyama ichukue the taste of kitunguu and mafuta. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. So guys, ndio hiyo nimeifunikia, and within 5 minutes ilikuwa ready, you can see. And then I will just go in with my tomatoes. Nikaongeza tomatoes 2. Remember, I didn't show you onion and tomatoes. Nilijua I'll show you kwa process ya kupika. Those are the some of ingredients zenye niliskip kuwaonyesha. Ndio sasa watch the full video, that's when you will know tutapika na nyanya na kitunguu. Yeah, that's my secret of showing you the video. And guys, another 5 minutes zikaiva nyanya zangu. You can see za siku hizi zinaiva haraka, si kama za kitambo. I don't know the reason, but zangu za siku hizi zinaiva haraka. And nikazikoroganisha na nyama so that they can be, they can take the unique taste. Zikorogane, zikuwe tamu zote pamoja. And then guys, after that we will go in with the spices of your choice. Mimi nitatumia tu 1 tablespoon, a half tablespoon of salt and yoyo, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of paprika, ndio hiyo. Some people may add other spices like cardamom, cinnamon, garam masala, and so many. Karibu niseme garam masala. Garam masala. And then mimi sikuongeza so many, I just wanted paprika. And then nikazipea time yake pia. You know the spices are supposed to cook, so lazima uzipe time yake, uzifunikie kidogo, uzipe time yake ziive. Ama kama hutafunikia, make sure umekoroga for around 5 minutes ndio ziproduce iyo taste yake. And then guys, we added some water, lazima tuongeze maji ndio hii mukimo yetu uweze kuikula. Koza tell me whether unaweza kula mukimo yenye imekauka hivyo and then ukose kuongeza maji kwa nyama. Hata kama ni wewe, you just tell me. Anyway, nikaongeza maji kidogo and I waited, ikachemka until nikaridhika nayo. The soup is amazing. Kama uko na coriander unaweza ongeza. I wanted to add, nikaenda kuangalia dania zangu zimeharibika, and then I skipped iyo dania kuongeza. I skipped the process of adding dania, and nilisema si lazima niongeze. Anyway, in your case, kama uko nayo, you just add. And that is my beef, guys. And the moment of truth is here. Tukaweka our plate of mukimo, ndio hiyo. And sio lazima umeshe na bowl ama uweke na bowl, unaweza weka anyhow. Yeah. And then I added nikaweka my beef, not adding. Nikaweka my beef in a different bowl cause mimi sipendi kuzichanganya. Sipendi juu ya soup. Hope unaelewa. And that is my dinner, guys. I enjoyed my dinner. So go try the recipe. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And I love you guys. Go subscribe, watch and share. And that's it for today. We see you in the next one. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye bye.